The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. We are with our friends at Stutzman's in Pleasant View, of course, with Jason French. Jason, thanks for having us in today.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, we've made it through Christmas and now we're into the new year, talking about those New Year's resolutions, and maybe you guys have a cool way people can do some resolving for the new year.
You know, and that's something we've done a couple of years, but it's called Resolve to Grow, kind of your New Year's resolution, and about daily, and you can find it on our website, our Facebook page. I think we do a YouTube that we have the whole Resolve to Grow on, but daily little tips, inspirations, ideas, plans, just kind of things to help get you fired up for the upcoming season.
That is so awesome. Just different tips are always important because you can always keep learning when it comes to your green thumb and things like that. But moving into the spring, we're already thinking about seeding for things like that.
You know, and what better thing to do on some of these gloomy days than maybe take a look at some of your seed catalogs or go online and look for some of those. And this is a good time to get some of those. The 2025 seed is available at most places, so you'll want to see that printed on the package.
Okay.
But some of that takes a little while to get here, and you can kind of start planning and going, but the seed, it doesn't go bad before you need to plant it. So just go ahead and get it, and you know, it could be vegetables, it could be flowers, perennial items, lots of different things, but kind of a great way to kind of kick off the season and get started with it.
Well, speaking of things that may take a little bit of time, you have an artichoke here. Would you say people could have already started doing that?
I did. I brought a couple of just different seed packs out, but artichoke, you can actually grow your own artichoke here in Kansas, but they take so long that you have to start them, you know, about in January, and then to have a plant to put out of size already, and then they'll make it through the summer and produce the artichoke, but it takes a really long time.
Yeah, some of these things definitely take longer than others, but you have all of those options here, as well as if people want any help or have questions, they can get those from you.
Always drop me an email, and my email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
All right, sounds good. Thanks for having us in today, Jason. Make sure you check out their social media pages for that Resolve to Grow here at Stutzmans. But one more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.